how about you?
I'm good, thanks for asking me. Okay, before starting, let's pray together. Vin, please. Okay, thank you, Vin. Okay, I will check your attendance list. Please listen to your name. Vin Awang,
Present, Miss.
Elchinokas, present, Miss. Pilihan Ahab, present, Miss. Okay. Okay, before we begin, I want to ask you some question. Do you like reading stories?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss. Okay. Have you ever had stories such as Maling Kundang, Cinderella, Snow White, or The Legend of Tobal Marke? No, Miss. Okay. Those stories are example of narrative text. Okay. Today we are going to learn about narrative text. After learning this material, you will be able to the first identify the social function of narrative text. The second, analyze the general structure of narrative text. The third is find the moral value of the story. And the fourth is retell the story confidently. You get it?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Now let's discuss the meaning of narrative text. What is narrative text? Narrative text is a text that tells a story to entertain the readers or listeners. The purpose is to make people enjoy the story while learning important lessons from it. Can anyone mention another story? Okay, no. Okay. Let's learn about the social function. Okay, look at the slide. Narrative text is used to entertain the readers, tells interesting stories, and deliver moral value or life lesson. For example of narrative text, legend, fable, fairy tale, and myth. Do you have any question?
No, Miss.
Okay. Okay, let's look. The slide is general structure. The narrative text has part of three main parts of narrative text. The first is orientation. Introduce the characters, setting, and time. The second is complication. Solves the problem or conflict in the story. The third is resolution. Explain how the problem is solved. Okay, now let's discuss the language features. Here, language feature has four main parts. The first is simple past tense. For example, slept, run, and help. The second is action verbs. Example, cut, beget. The third adjective. Example, peaceful, little, and strong. The fourth is time connectives. For example, once upon a time, then, after that, and finally. You got it?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Now we look at example story. Please, someone read the story. Melty, please.
The Legend of Tobalake. Once upon a time, there was a man named Toba who lived in a village. One day, he caught a golden fish that magically turned into a beautiful woman. They got married and had a son named Samosir. One day, Samosir ate his father's lunch. Toba became very angry and shouted, "You son of a fish!" Samosir cried and told his mother. Because Toba broke his promise, heavy rain fell and flooded the area. The place became Tobalake and Samosir became an island called Samosir Island.
Okay, thank you, Nelci. Your pronunciation very good. Give a big applause for Nelci. Okay, explanation for the story. Here, the orientation is once upon a time there was a man named Tobal who lived in a valley. One day, he caught a golden fish that magically turned into a beautiful woman. They got married and had a son named Samosir. Okay, the second is complication. One day, Samosir ate his father's lunch. Toba became very angry and shouted, "You son of a fish." The third is resolution. Because Toba broke his promise, heavy rain fell and flooded the area. The place became Tobalake and Samosir became an island called Samosir Island. Okay, the last is moral value. Here, the moral value from the story is never break a promise, control your anger, and be patient and kind. Okay, now it's your turn. Please read the story, and the title is The Lion and Mouse. You have 5 minutes to read and discuss it with your friend. Time is yours. Okay. You group discussion, work in group, answer the question. The first is which paragraph is orientation. The second, which paragraph is complication. The third, which paragraph is resolution. And the last is what is the moral value of the story. Retell the story instruction. Retell the line of the mouse in front of the class. Speak clearly and confidently and use your own words. Okay, you got it?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Miss, the first is orientation. One day, a lion was sleeping peacefully in the forest. A little mouse accidentally ran across the lion's body. And the second is complication. The lion woke up and caught the mouse. The mouse was very frightened and begged the lion to let him go.
Okay, number 3, resolution. The mouse hugged the lion, roared and quickly ran to help him. The mouse used its sharp teeth to cut the ropes of the net. Soon the lion was free. And number 4, moral value. Even a small friend can be very helpful.
Okay, thank you Nelci and Finn. Give big applause to your friend. Okay, before we finish, let's review today's lesson. Someone please summarize the lesson today.
Okay, Miss, today we learned about narrative text. So narrative text is to entertain the readers and listeners about the story.
Okay, thank you Nelci. Give big applause to Nelci. Okay, today we learn about narrative text. Narrative text is to entertain readers to listeners, has three structure, orientation, complication, and resolution. Contains moral value. Okay, I think today is enough. For your homework, find another narrative text from internet, books, and magazine. Then identify the genre structure, write the moral value, and retell the story in the next meeting. You understand?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Okay, before we end the lesson, let's pray together. Ready, please? Okay. Okay, thank you, Reni. Okay, for your information, in the next meeting, we can learn about descriptive text. So please prepare yourself. Okay, I think enough. See you in the next meeting. Bye bye.
See you, Miss.
Aduh,